Welcome, today I am with AirPods Max and I'll show you how you can enable automatic head detection. So at first we have to open the settings, tap on the Bluetooth. When we are connected with our AirPods Max, tap on the information icon and then we have to scroll down. Right here we can find automatic head detection. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And right now our iOS device, in my case that's the iPhone XR, will automatically transfer the audio route from the connected devices to AirPods Max. Of course, when you place them on the head. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.